Drones are no longer just flying cameras or hobbyist gadgets. With the integration of artificial intelligence, they are evolving into autonomous problem solvers capable of transforming industries and daily life. As we step into 2025, AI-powered drones are poised to redefine logistics, security, agriculture, and even disaster response. Let's explore how these advanced flying machines are shaping the future. Gone are the days of manually piloted drones. AI-driven drones in 2025 are capable of independent navigation, real-time decision-making, and seamless obstacle avoidance. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, they can adapt to changing environments, self-correct flight paths, and optimize efficiency across various industries. This enhanced autonomy is particularly useful for tasks such as mapping inaccessible terrains, monitoring infrastructure, and conducting inspections with precision. Drone deliveries are finally transitioning from pilot programs to full-scale deployment. AI-powered drones will soon be delivering packages, groceries, and medical supplies with unparalleled speed and efficiency. Companies like Amazon, FedEx, and emerging startups are refining drone logistics to tackle challenges such as airspace regulations and weather conditions. AI integration enables drones to calculate optimal routes, avoid congestion, and improve last-mile delivery solutions, making fast, contactless delivery the new standard. Security is taking a technological leap with AI-enabled drones. These drones can now monitor large areas in real time, detect unusual activities, and alert authorities instantly. Equipped with facial recognition, motion tracking, and predictive analytics, they are being used for crowd control, border surveillance, and crime prevention. AI drones also play a crucial role in protecting critical infrastructure, such as power plants and transportation networks, by providing real-time security insights. Agriculture is undergoing a transformation with AI-powered drones. Farmers can now rely on these aerial tools to assess soil health, detect crop diseases, and optimize irrigation. AI-driven analytics provide actionable insights that help farmers make data-driven decisions, reducing waste and increasing yield. In 2025, more farms will integrate drones into their operations, minimizing costs and enhancing productivity like never before. When disasters strike, every second counts. AI drones are becoming indispensable in search and rescue missions, firefighting, and disaster relief. Equipped with thermal imaging, real-time mapping, and AI-powered analysis, these drones can locate survivors, assess structural damage, and assist emergency teams more efficiently than ever. Their ability to reach hazardous areas quickly makes them an invaluable tool in crisis management. AI drones are not just for large-scale industries, they are becoming more accessible for everyday use. Whether capturing breathtaking aerial footage, enhancing home security, or offering hands-free assistance, personal drones are more advanced and affordable than ever. AI-powered features such as gesture control, automated tracking, and intelligent flight patterns are making drones an exciting gadget for tech enthusiasts and content creators alike. AI drones in 2025 represent more than just technological progress. They signify a shift in how we interact with automation. Their impact spans industries, from revolutionizing e-commerce logistics to bolstering public safety and improving disaster response. As AI continues to advance, the possibilities for drones are limitless, making them an integral part of the modern world. What excites you most about AI drones? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and robotics.